Hi everybody, welcome back to miniature portrait painting part 2. We are moving on to Audrey Hepburn. We've just done Charlie Chaplin, that was the first video that's just gone up now. Now we're going to move on to Audrey Hepburn. Now this is credit card size again, and I've got a very faint outline just on some key points on a face that I've dropped in. We're using Createx Wicked Black. This is the one I'm using. This has been mixed with isopropanol and water. It's a very, very thin mix, extremely thin. So you're going in very, very light. You are running the airbrush around 5 psi. The brush that we're using today is the Ardor & Steenbeck New Evolution CR Plus 2024 on a 0.28 mil. As I say, really, really low pressure, and just build this up because it's very thin. It's a very thin, transparent, so you're just building the colour up, building the colour up. And this colour goes down like sort of like a vintage colour, so it sort of sets the theme for the era of the portrait. So I'll move the other camera in, drop you on a time lapse, and then I'll do like the Charlie Chaplin one. We'll move the other camera in and I can show you sort of a close-up of how it's turned out. So enjoy the video. I'm going to get my glasses on because this is tiny, and I'll see you at the end. There you go guys, Audrey Hepburn done. Nice and quick, not even 10 minutes, like bang, down, done. Little bit of scratch back techniques on the top to get the highlights in the hair, and a couple of tiny ones to get like the tiny dots in the eyes. But we got it down, so another one done. This is really enjoyable doing this, because with this paint mix and with the evolution, when you turn the pressure right down on the Evo, you're basically, the release and the response on the paint is incredible on this brush. It really is. You're not even pulling back, you're just sort of pressing down and just feathering the trigger to get these tiny little details down. So that's the next one done. We will move on to the next one. I've got another one ready to go. I think this is 2-pack, so it's going to be 2-pack next. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the small portraits. Learn a little bit along the way. Just take your time, give it a go. It's really good for getting your trigger control down. If you want to practice your trigger control at very low pressures, get your paint mix right and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.